The reason why we wanted to be foster carers was because we had 2-year-old twins when I met Kate, and we wanted to have more children. We both couldn't have any more children, so we went down the route of fostering because we had so much love to give. We just wanted to provide and give these children the love that we have, and it's been magical. Seeing their faces, seeing them progress, seeing the confidence that they can gain just by you loving them and giving them a secure environment, it's priceless, it's the best. So the support you get is second to none, really. Sometimes all you need is just a little bit of guidance, or to even just, if you're having a busy day and you just need to talk to someone and they know what you're going through, it's sometimes all you need is just a chat. The advice I would give anyone that was wanting to come into foster care is do it, because there'll always be some sort of reasons why you can't do it, but actually with the support that you get from fostering, you can absolutely do it. It's the most rewarding, special, absolutely priceless thing you can do.
Gall pawb gynnig rhywbeth gyda maethu awdurdod lleol.